My name is Anand Narang. I'm the Marketing and Solutions Director at Huawei Devices in India. Huawei Devices is a subsidiary of Huawei Telecommunications, which is a $28 billion company. Huawei Devices globally is about $4.5 billion company, and this year we plan to target $6 billion of revenues. In India, Huawei Devices has been giving a revenue of $490 million for last year, so it's about 10%, more than 10% of Huawei Devices globally. In India, we have been here for the last 10 years across multiple categories. Huawei Devices offer products in smartphones as well as the 3G feature phones as well as CDMA phones. The number 2 category we offer our products is home devices, which is the set-top boxes offered with our partners like Tata Sky and Airtel. Number 3 category where we actually offer products is mobile broadband. That is where we are a global leader in mobile data cards, the data cards that are actually available not just in India but globally also. In India, we are also number 1. We lead the market in terms of market share for mobile data cards. Now today we have actually launched 3 new smartphones for the Indian market. They are all based on the Android platform. The flagship product is Huawei Ideos X5. This is the first smartphone in the market that offers high definition experience for the young professionals. So we know that from our research that young professionals who migrate from their college life into the work life, they want not just multimedia capabilities in their smartphones, but they are also looking for applications as well as they are looking for email functionality. So not only can you actually access Gmail as well as Yahoo Mail on this phone, but you can also access the Office Outlook Exchange Mail on this smartphone. For the IT administrators, this is very easy to actually offer to their new employee workforce. It is also secure in the sense that just in case the phone actually gets lost, you can do a remote wipeout and then all the data can be deleted remotely. This phone actually offers high definition video viewing as well as download as well as creation, as well as it comes with 5 megapixel of camera and a certified Google experience. So it comes preloaded with Google Mobile Suite. The second phone that we have actually launched today in the market is the Huawei Ideos X2. This is a phone targeting the style segment, people who want a very good design for a smartphone as well as optimized for social networking experience. All these 3 smartphones that we have introduced today, they offer 3.5G technology both in terms of download as well as upload. They all come with Wi-Fi BGN, which allows 6 times faster access to internet compared to a Wi-Fi BG. So small differences that we have actually been able to add for the Indian market based on our global leadership in the mobile broadband. The third smartphone that we have actually launched today is an Ideos Chat. As the name indicates, this is a phone optimized for the younger audiences, for the college students as well as the high school. It's the world's most compact touch as well as a QWERTY phone. So we understand that the young audience is moving up from a simple candy bar phone to a smartphone. So it offers the best of the both worlds, which is a touch phone, a touch screen as well as a QWERTY keypad actually out there. It again offers 3.5G access of technology, Wi-Fi access, as well as access to 1.5 lakh of applications available on the Android marketplace. Also, the design is inspired by chocolate design, so Cadbury's chocolate design, as well as it comes with a unique groove on the backside, which is good for a single hand operation. So not just touch and type, but also really optimized for the hand of young teenagers who are actually upgrading from a feature phone to a smartphone. So Ideos Chat available from Huawei Devices now in India.